I'm about to take you to the most special Christmas display in all of Las Vegas, and it's completely free for you to do. Let's go. Thousands of people gather from near and far to see this display here at the Bellagio. Right here, you'll see families and little ones all lining up and waiting for that magical moment to get a taste of a warm cup of cocoa from the Peppermint Express here at the Bellagio. It's a winter delight. All of us await to enter the train. This year's winter display at the Bellagio is absolutely a winter wonderland. I stepped into the train, and the first thing I did was touch the velvet walls. It's like walking through the pages of a Christmas storybook. Snowy rooftops outside, and inside this train car, the textures and lights make you feel like you're a part of the story. When you first enter the Bellagio Conservatory, you're going to see the storybook, and the theme of the winter display for 2025 is all aboard for holiday bells and whistles. This display will be open from now until January 3rd of 2026. It is free to do and free to enjoy for you and your family. So make sure that you stop by the Bellagio to see this fun winter display. Meet Elfie the Elf, the little holiday helper who brings the Bellagio's winter village to life. Elfie is the conservatory's cheerful storyteller. She sprinkles holiday magic across the display, and you'll spot her tucked among the ornaments, the oversized gifts, as she welcomes families into the Christmas storybook world. She's playful, bright, and always busy, making sure that every detail feels warm, cozy, and full of wonder. And believe me, when I first walked in, I definitely experienced Elfie's magic. Every corner is designed like a page that has come to life. Snowy cottages, sparkling candies, and the Peppermint Express rolling through a magical winter village. It's all crafted to feel nostalgic, like kind of a holiday tale that you grew up with, where everything is cozy, bright, and full of wonder. Enjoy all the beautiful sights, the wonderful floral displays, and you can sit and even enjoy this from your table at Sadelle's while having lunch inside the restaurant. Some guests even like to bring their furry friends for a holiday picture. And you could have lunch right here in a private gingerbread house. If you'd like to have a special lunch inside of the cottage, you can reserve a table. The cottage is open daily at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 p.m., and 2 p.m. That starts at $145 per guest, and that lunch is provided by Elves. Now, if you'd like to have dinner in the cottage, you can go ahead and reserve a table, and your dinner will be provided by Michael Minna. That is Tuesday through Sunday. They have seatings at 5 p.m. and at 8:30 p.m., starting at $195 per guest. From snowy cottages to sparkling Christmas ornaments, every inch of this 14,000 square foot display is a wonder. And just here, you'll see a little train that's circling its way around the railroad tracks, a charming touch that brings the whole winter village to life. And if you look closely, this little train actually has a tiny camera on the front, capturing its entire journey as it circles the track. It's a cute detail that makes the whole display feel even more alive, almost like you're seeing the village through the eyes of the train. Just look at all the people coming to see the Christmas display. Or you can come into the Christmas shop here at the Bellagio and get a gift. Wait till you see all the goodies that they have here. And it wouldn't be Christmas unless I took you through the Christmas gift shop here at the Bellagio. Here you'll find ornaments and unique gifts that you can purchase for your friends and family. Just look at everything here that they have to offer. I truly hope that you're enjoying this video and this walkthrough of the Bellagio Conservatory for winter 2025. My name is Elisa, and this is Elisa Does Vegas. If you haven't done so already, please be so kind to leave me a like, and if you feel that my video has brought you value, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Remember, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and it really does help my channel grow. Until next time, this is Elisa Does Vegas.